The fear of every person who reads too much sci-fi labor dystopia might be coming true. Robots could be replacing workers. Amazon's AI technology, known internally as Automated Applicant Evaluation or AAE, works by predicting which job applicants have the highest potential of being successful in certain roles, and then fast-tracking them to an interview all without a human recruiter's oversight. According to Recode, it worked by finding the middle part of a Venn diagram between current Amazon employees and job applicants applying for similar jobs. If this sounds familiar, it's because it is. Amazon built AI hiring technology a decade ago, but it failed miserably by, you guessed it, discriminating against women. Nathan S. Nossi wrote for VentureBeat that the problem with AI hiring technology in general, and not just specifically at Amazon, is that it can enable biases. Amazon's new hiring AI might have solved those problems. The internal document acquired by Recode says the new AI is guarded against biases based on race and gender. And Amazon hasn't said directly that this AI will or will not be fully replacing the hundreds of laid-off recruiters. Please check full article in description. Thank you for watching.